Dear all, welcome to Vijay Tech Talks. In this episode, I will walk you through the steps to set up a Microsoft Fabric workspace. So today's agenda is setting up a Fabric workspace. We'll look into what are the prerequisites to set up a Fabric workspace and how to set up a Fabric workspace with personal email ID. And we will check free workspace validity, the prerequisites for today's demo Azure subscription domain join Microsoft account. It should be our personal account since we don't have official or school account. And finally, we need app.fabric.microsoft.com. Let's begin. Step 1. Log into portal.azure.com. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free using your Microsoft personal account. I will share the link to create a Microsoft personal account sign up for an Azure subscription for free in the video description below. So I have successfully logged into Azure portal. Now look for Microsoft Entra ID. Now, time to create a domain joined email with the help of Microsoft. Enter ID. On the left-hand side, there is a Users tab. Click on Users. Under the Users, we have to create domain joined email with the help of our personal email ID. Creating one for us, Vijay Tech Talks 2025. Display name, Vijay, and password. You can specify your own password and review and create. Upon successful creation of your domain, join email ID. You can refresh and check. Here is the email. Well, now if you look at the end of this user, we have on Microsoft.com domain. Now time to sign up for Microsoft Fabric Workspace. Log into app.microsoftfabric.com with the help of newly created email ID. If you look at the end of this email on Microsoft.com, click on Next, then provide your password. You can change your current password. Let's continue. You can provide your business phone number or your personal phone number. Selected Poland and get started. I started here. This may take a while to set up. Your workspace now all set. If you already have an official or school email that's domain joined once, you can skip the above steps directly. You can jump to the Fabric SigUp step. We have successfully set up a Microsoft workspace and time to review what is the validity of this workspace. Just click on your user profile, have a look on it. Requested a 60 days trailer to try Microsoft Fabric capacity. See, now this is basically by default you will get a 14 days of free trailer as you need to activate the 60 days trailer of this Microsoft Fabric workspace. Just we are requesting now free trailer just activated. Now you can go here and check, see how many days left. 59 days, including today, is a total of 60 days of free trailer with full powers of Fabric. Whatever the Microsoft is offering, with the free of cost, we can explore and implement our scenarios. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video where we will explore ETL data ingestion with the Microsoft Fabric. See you soon.